If you remember anything about the 80s, you remember the G-Body. These were the stylish two-door coupes GM built from 1982 to 1988. They have made a huge resurgence in recent years and have become a very popular platform to modify from drag racing just to a weekend cruiser. Today in the shop, we have a Monte Carlo SS that would be going under the knife to get some modern updates to improve on an aging platform. So the plans for the Monte Carlo build is pretty straightforward. First, we want to remove the body from the frame just to assess everything that's going on. Secondly, we want to media blast the chassis so we can take the old coating off, put a brand new coating on. Also, while we're there, we're going to reinforce the chassis because the engine power plant that's going in has roughly 3 times the original power that the original 305 had. So we really need to strengthen up the chassis to accommodate that larger power increase. And next, we're going to install new tubular suspension, a built rear end, and get the car running and driving and moving under its own power. So this video is going to have a lot of different stuff that we're going over, and I hope you guys enjoy. So let's just get straight to it.
Like this isn't even moving at all. Like this isn't moving, and that whole thing goes up.
It's going down.
Yeah. This is that G-body flex. This frame needs everything.
Right, go stand on that corner over there.
Yeah, do that.
Just stand right there, yeah. Or hold it down, whatever.
Cool. You can literally see the thing flex like that.
Me, I'm doing this with the thumb.
God damn. So imagine 600-700 horsepower in a chassis like this. Oh yeah, you're gonna bend that thing.
All right.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This car is coming together great. There's still more to be done on it. The car still needs to be dyno tuned and still needs to be buttoned up here and there, but this car is coming together great. It sounds amazing, and a lot of work is being done very, very quickly. So there definitely is going to be a part 2 to this video, especially once we get on the street and get it fully dialed in. Now, if there's any parts you see in this video that you guys are interested in, you can definitely look at the website and the parts that we have there, or I'm going to put a full detailed part list in the description. So anything you see here that you're interested in, you're building your own G-body, you can definitely reference what we've used and especially use it on your build. So this is another kick-ass video, 337 speed in Mad Hatter Garage. I hope you guys enjoyed, and take care.